Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Today's side dish is something very special. It is from Tamil Nadu, Puli Milagai. Spicy, tangy, full of the traditional flavors, just like how my grandmother used to make it. This Puli Milagai is a hidden gem of Tamil Nadu cuisine. It goes well with Chapathi, Dosa, and of course curd rice. One spoon of this Puli Milagai and you will be addicted to it. And trust me, you serve it with curd rice, your family will keep asking for more. Here we have about 12 green chillies, medium spice level. I have slit them vertically. One small lemon sized piece of tamarind I have soaked in water and kept. This is about 2 teaspoons of Jaggrey powder, a few curry leaves, some hing, and for this it is recommended to use til oil, that is sesame or gingery oil, and salt. Here I have taken 2 tablespoons of til oil, that is sesame oil. To this we will add some mustard seeds, 1 cube of hing, and some curry leaves. Let the hing fry well in the oil. I'll give you the link, but if you don't have hing cube, you can definitely use hing powder also. Now add in the slit green chilli and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Meanwhile, squeeze out the tamarind extract and keep it ready. See, can you see how the green chilies have been fried? They will turn a little white and form blisters on top like this. Now pour in the tamarind extract, add salt and let it cook on a medium flame till it thickens slightly. You can even add a pinch of haldi powder to this. See, our Puli Milagai has reduced in volume and started thickening now. The chilies have also become soft. Don't overcook the chilies, they should not become mushy. Now add in this Jaggrey powder and simmer it for a few minutes more. Addition of Jaggrey balances the spice beautifully. Not only that, can you see now it is starting to get a shiny glaze on top. Simmer it a little more till the oil starts separating and the color becomes just a richer, darker color. See, it has simmered nicely and thickened to reach the perfect consistency. Now we will switch this off. Now I am just dry roasting 1/4 teaspoon of methi seeds. Dry roast it over a low flame. You just want them to get roasted and not turn bitter and burnt. See, when they are roasted well, they will change color also slightly. Now we can switch it off, allow it to cool and grind it into a powder. We have blended the roasted methi seeds into a powder. You can just add it to this. Give it all a good mix. It adds a wonderful flavor, but don't add too many methi seeds, then it will become bitter. This is just right. Today I am serving this Puli Milagai with some delicious arisi upma. Arisi upma is upma made with broken rice. And a little bit of this Puli Milagai at the side. A wonderful combination. You can have it with dosa, chapathi, curd rice, everything. Lovely taste. Look at that glossy texture, tangy tamarind, spicy chilies and a touch of sweetness from Jaggrey. Milagai has got the right balance. Spicy, tangy, slightly sweet, and an absolute comfort food. Perfect combo for arasi upma, chapathi, dosa and curd rice. And it reminds me so much of the Puli Milagai which my amma used to make. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and keep tuning in for the 30 days 30 veg side dish recipes. Definitely we'll meet tomorrow with another interesting episode. Thank you for watching.